Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord, voice chat, not connecting step by step so you can join calls without issues in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Voice chat problems are often caused by unstable Wi-Fi or high packet loss. Try restarting your router and, if possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. Next, disable any VPN or proxy. Discord voice servers sometimes fail to connect through certain VPN routes. Turn off your VPN temporarily and try joining the voice channel again. Many users fix the problem instantly with this step. Now restart Discord properly. Close the app from the system tray, then open Task Manager and end all Discord processes. Relaunch the app and test the voice channel again. Another important fix is checking your firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure Discord is allowed through Windows Firewall and any third-party security software. Blocked network permissions can prevent voice chat from connecting. You should also change the voice server region. Open the voice channel settings and select a region closer to your location. This often improves connection reliability. If the issue continues, clear Discord's cache by deleting the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders from the app data directory, then restart the app. Finally, update Discord and your network drivers, then restart your PC. In most cases, these steps will resolve the voice chat connection problem. If this guide helped you fix Discord, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting tutorials in 2026. See you in the next one.